how to make battery icon and others bigger on your phone. So if you want to make your battery icon or your text bigger on your phone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to go with your search and search for battery. Once you search for battery, you need to scroll down a bit and you may have some additional features. You need to go with the additional features and you may have an option of show battery percentage or something like that. You can just simply go and turn it on. But if you don't find that option, then what you need to do is go back and then go with your search and search for font. Go with your text size or your font size and go and select large font. I'll just simply go and select extra large, and if you go back and wait for a few seconds, then as you can see that you will have all of the text or your battery icon, it's all bigger. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.